Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Atrey and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, reviews, hauls, that too affordable. So yeah, if this is something interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Now without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So guys, आज की वीडियो में ना एक इतना प्यारा प्रोडक्ट है ना जो मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ. I wasn't expecting this. This video is not sponsored. Yes, the brand did send me a few products to try out. So I am going to share all the products what I received, especially in skincare, क्योंकि मैं affordable skincare ज़्यादा नहीं करती हूँ. So I thought why not sharing this, and because I love their products, that is why I feel like sharing these products with you all, so that अगर आप कुछ similar ढूंढ रहे हो तो आप इसको try out कर सकते हो. So without any further ado, let's get started. And which I am talking about is Firmer, and this is the package which I received. And trust me, I'm so impressed with the packaging and everything which they have sent me. Like when you open this, you have all the products over here, which I'm very excited about. So let's just dive into the video. So I'm talking about this brand named Firmer. We talk about this brand Firmer. So this is an anti-aging brand that works against aging factors, because we all know that with time our skin is started to it has started aging, and if you are in your 30s you have to take extra care of your your skin, क्योंकि आपको wrinkles, fine lines की problems आ जाती हैं, and due to UV exposure, diet, lifestyle, makeup etc. उससे क्या होता है कि हमारी skin पे बहुत सारा effect पड़ता है. So this brand works towards boosting collagen and which maintains elasticity and youthfulness of your skin. Now in this particular range I have received 4 of their products which I'm going to talk about, and these are the products which is not there in the Indian market, and especially this particular line is specially made for aged skin या जो skin age हो रही है. तो अगर आप 30 plus हो या late 20s में हो, that's the perfect time to introduce these products in your region. So let's get started and see what all products I have. Very first product which I have is the Firmer Pep Pure Peptide Serum. Now it has beauty repairing and age control concentrate with peptide infusion. Now ये 50 ml का product आता है, retails for 654 rupees, and it is fragrance free, paraben free. It boosts collagen, it just improves skin's elasticity, and इसके अंदर कोलाजन सिलीजेल एंड इसके अंदर कोलाजन एंड सिलीजेल है, जिससे आपके फेस को बहुत ही एक बूस्ट मिलता है इलास्टिसिटी का. एंड इफ आई टॉक अबाउट कि आप इसको कैसे अप्लाई करोगे, जस्ट वॉश योर फेस एंड देन अप्लाई दिस सीरम इन upward direction. Now this is going to work as a great booster. It is going to boost your collagen. Now this is 100% pure and of natural origin, so it is best for acne prone and dull skin, and 20 से 40 years के ओल्ड के बीच के लोग इसको यूज कर सकते हैं. And the texture of this one is very soothing. आप इसको जब apply करते हो, it just feels very soothing on your skin. So definitely this is something which I need, because you know I am in my 30s, entered in my 30s, so that's why something which is anti-aging is always handy. So that's the first product. Talking about the second product, मतलब ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही एक I would say कि बहुत ही अलग सा प्रोडक्ट है. मैंने ऐसा प्रोडक्ट स्किन केयर रेंज में तो नहीं देखा. So this is Firmer Pre-Makeup Primer Cream for Face. Now it works as primer before makeup. So it is illuminating, firming and face contouring primer cream. That means आपके फेस को ये बहुत ही अच्छा सा एक ग्लो देता है, एंड मेकअप के पहले आप इसको लगाओगे तो it is just going to give your face that extra oomph. Now इसके अंदर स्किन एक्टूरा है, और ये ना न्यू मैकेनिज्म से बना हुआ है, एंड रैपिड एक्शन है. तो इसके अंदर स्किन केयर प्लस मेकअप की प्रॉपर्टीज हैं. सो दिस जस्ट रिड्यूसेस द नेक रिंकल एरिया. तो नेक पे जो आपके रिंकल्स हो जाते हैं, इसको ये रिड्यूस करता है. सो मेकअप से पहले आप इसको लगा सकते हो एज अ प्री मेकअप बेस, एंड दिस इज जस्ट गोइंग टू एनहांस योर मेकअप टू अनदर लेवल. So I loved it. It retails for 492 rupees and for 50 grams of product. So I loved using this one before makeup, because this is really working, and it just gives a very nice illuminating effect to my face, which which just seems to be very, very youthful. Product is their Firmer Honey Locust Skin Gel. Now it says it just gives instant skin tightening gel with an advanced super vitalizing, uplifting and firming properties. 50 grams का product है, ये आता है 474 rupees का. Definitely you can get a lot of discount. So इसके अंदर ये बोलते हैं that it is instant tightening and it reduces crow's feet wrinkle. Also it reduces it in a very, very less time. Smoothens the forehead lines 3 minutes to 8 hours. From 3 minutes to 8 hours. Smoothens frown lines from 3 minutes to 8 hours. So it cleans a lot of things. So yes, definitely when I applied it, I was feeling a little bit of tightening effect, and I have to use it more to see if it gives a lot of tightening effect. But yes, to start with इसने tightening effect दिया. इसका texture भी बहुत light weight है, बहुत heavy feel नहीं होता आपके skin पे, and definitely it is something worth trying. उसके लिए I am super excited. So this is Firmer एंटी-एजिंग सीरम फॉर फेस विद नेचुरल hyaluronic acid, collagen and elastin. Now इसका जो पैकेजिंग है, it's super duper fancy, comes in a injection type का पैकेजिंग, and it says that it has a lot of benefit for your skin. It has hyaluronic acid plus collagen. So you just have to pull the cap of the syringe to open its nozzle and press the plunger. तो इसके अंदर से drops निकलेगा, and 3-4 drops आपके face के लिए enough है. So just apply this in upwards direction, and this is going to work as a really nice hydrator and booster. So that's going to be your step number 4. So guys, this kit is really helpful for someone who is looking for एंटी-एजिंग प्रॉपर्टीज, एंड मुझे इनके प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत ही यूनिक एंड बहुत ही अलग लगे, प्लस ये अफोर्डेबल भी है. सो यू कैन यूज दिस कोड ओवर हियर जस्ट टू गेट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ मोर डिस्काउंट, एंड ऑल द लिंक्स आर गोइंग टू बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. मेक श्योर टू यूज द check out the link, and yeah, if you use this product, let me know how you guys like it. I like this product, and I think इनके जो products है वो बहुत ही promising है. I don't like skincare products बहुत जल्दी से, but I really like this one. So yeah guys, that was about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.